Harvest tayo, guys. Ay, lagay natin dito, anak. Ano?
I'll help you.
Okay. Yeah, just pull it. Okay?
Okay, on this one.
Yeah, just pull it.
Yes, big.
Yeah.
The big one.
Yeah, that's...
Let's put in there.
May ano na, oh, bulaklak.
To put in there.
Bulaklak na. Oh, careful, no. Don't put there. No, we need to remove the... What do you call this?
I need this one.
Yeah, you remove the... What to call that? The roots.
Oops.
Ayan. Don't put there yet, anak. We'll just pull it, okay?
Oh, another one.
Yeah. Ayan.
Okay, okay. Say to me.
Yung mga may ano na, ang kunin natin, anak. Yung may, ang tawag dyan. Ayan. May, flowers, oh.
My flowers,
Yeah.
my flowers. My flowers.
Ayan, tapos iguntingin natin, ha. Guntingin natin, anak. I think this is enough, eh. Just put in a mongo.
Mango.
Mongo, you know mongo, baby?
Yeah.
Are you sure you know the mongo? Ay, maliliit yung iba, anak.